Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to learn how to play Numb by Linkin Park. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar and standard tuning, and you will need a cable on the second fret of your guitar. Let's jump to the lesson. The intro/verse part contains just 4 easy chord progressions: E minor, C, G, and D. Now in the intro, we add a little melody before strum each chord, which makes it sound better. On the B string or the second string of your guitar, play open, third, open, then strum E minor. I repeat again. On the second string, open, third, open, E minor. Now on the high E string or the first string of your guitar, play third, second, then strum C. Now again on the B string we play open, third, open, but this time we will strum G. And then on the first string, third, second, and then D. So in total the intro will sound like this. Now in the verse part, we are going to add strumming pattern for it, and it goes like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So in total, the verse part will sound like this. Now we get to the first pre-chorus, which is easy because we use same easy chords but in different pattern. So we have C, D, E minor, G, C, and finally D. We are going to strum each chord for one strumming pattern. So first pre-chorus will sound like this. Then we get to the chorus, which is really simple because we already learned it. It is the same as the verse, and we are going to use the same strumming pattern as well. So E minor, C, G, and D. Now the second pre-chorus is just one 4-chord progression, repeated twice. So we have C, D, E minor, G, and we play each chord for one strumming pattern. So the second pre-chorus will sound like this. Next we get to the bridge. In the bridge we have C, D, E minor, G, C, D, and finally B7. Now we are going to play each chord for one strumming pattern, except B7 chord that we are going to play it for 3 strumming pattern. So in total, the bridge will sound like this. And again, we get to the chorus part. So that's it. Thanks for the watching. If you find out this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel for more lessons. See you later.